What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to recover lost tabs in Google Chrome. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, in case you closed a tab by accident and you're still using Chrome in the same session, then you can simply right-click some space next to your current tab and select Reopen Closed Tab, or use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift and T. On macOS, use the shortcut Command, Shift and T. This will reopen your recently closed tab. Repeat this process to reopen more tabs you closed before. If you closed your Chrome window completely, or if Chrome or your PC crashed while using Chrome, then you will have to navigate to your browser history to find your past tabs. Click on the burger menu on the top right of your window and select History. From here, you can find your last visited sites and recently closed tabs on those sites. In addition, you can find the history of all other devices signed in with your account using Chrome, such as your mobile device. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.